full spectrum CBD oil for sale. Organically grown and made in USA. We are dedicated to the manufacturing pure CBD oil and sharing the benefits of cannabidiol, CBD for its natural anti-aging, pain relief, and medicinal purposes. We pride ourselves in offering the very finest, full-spectrum CBD products in the marketplace. Full-spectrum CBD oil. Whole plant, CO2 supercritical extraction. Organically grown in the USA. USA manufactured. Third-party tested from plant to product. Company transparency. Our goal is to ensure the highest quality products at an affordable price. In order to do that, our oil is tested multiple times to guarantee compliance, quality and safety. Want to save money? We have gathered our most popular products and created discounted bundles that allow you to enjoy a wider selection of hemp-based products for less. Browse our products and shop now. Click the link in the description below.